Time is your most precious resource. It is the most precious thing. Each one of us have only 24 hours a day. Be it a president of the country or a normal citizen. It is only 24 hours a day, and it is absolutely free of cost. All work requires time. Before you spend it, think about it. This will surely help you to improve your personal time management and increase productivity. Time management is not a business or software tool. It is an important skill that you must focus on developing it. Everything around you depends on it. One of the all-time problem that people have is, I don't have time. You cannot buy time. You cannot sell it either. It is so easy to be destroyed. In your daily life, other people demand some work from you. You have to spend some time for it, but, in general, you have a reasonable amount of time left for yourself. Think about how you are spending your time and on what. Evaluate whether the time you are spending is worth. Remember, time is one thing that you will never get it back if you lose it. To realize the value of a 1 second, ask an athlete. Ask a doctor the value of 1 hour. Ask a patient how much 1 day is valuable to him. A jobless person would tell you the value of 1 month. Ask a student who failed in the exam how much 1 year means to him. So, self-evaluate every now and then. Analyze what you were 6 months ago and what are you now. Set short and long-term goals. Try to understand how you want to spend your time. Set family and personal goals. This is why you work hard and make money to buy things for them and build a healthy relationship. Set business and career goals. Focus on building and learning to improve your skills and abilities. Set self-development goals. Your outer life will be a reflection of inner life. Spend time praying, meditating, exercising, traveling, helping the community and so on. Do what makes you feel worthwhile both in your personal life and career life. It is essential to set it in balance. Balance is key. If you lack balance in your life, you're going to feel stressed out. Prioritize the goal-related activities. Don't spend most of your time planning. Don't rob your time. Don't let others rob your time. Trust the process. Remember, all of us have only 24 hours a day. No less, no more. Time is the greatest gift of God. So, what is the most valuable activity? Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Moodtivate for more videos. Enjoy.